What's up, guys? AK going back and forth, DC, DCC. Just better for you to understand. So we are in Windows. Here we go. Simple layout, and I try to summarize a couple of questions. So, in general, do you need power districts? Not really, because it depends on the layout. So, the reason I'm going back to DC, it's just easy to understand. So, if you have layout like this, literally like this, probably not, unless it's old, made in Italy Atlas track, HO. I'm talking about everything. Mostly, I'm talking about HO. So if you have that layout, brand new Kato, Bachmann, Rocco, Fleischmann, good quality track, you just taking your that power supply, transformer, can be different manufacturer. I just stuck with Kato here, putting the only one thing I'm asking you to keep the coloring the same and of the wires, and the other guy will go here. This is it. You don't need power districts. Maybe, and if it's only a layout under Christmas tree, so you're assembling it every year, yeah, that's a DC. No problem. You have two engines here, and of course and the other guy here, and of course they both will run on different speeds because the gear ratio, if they are different, to run them pretty much the same speed, you need like 20 miles per hour here, and here you need DCC or identical engines. Okay, I think that's clear. Later, if you got layout, or like on a ping pong table tennis, who is playing not recreationally, it's usually table tennis, same thing again, you just put together, but it's in the basement, usually not, it's changing humidity and stuff in those areas, joiners areas around layout, not today, not tomorrow, but sometimes later. And if you expanding layout bigger, it's getting bigger, all right, even it's Kato, you will see some drop of the voltage in some areas. Then you need power districts. But again, I'm repeating myself, simple layout, the size of exactly probably like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 straight pieces, here and there, you probably will not going to experience any issues. So very simple, I hope. We'll go explain about power districts. I already did, but in a different videos, in a different approach. Thanks for watching, supporting business. Have a good one. Bye bye.